What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy J Pigs, you know what it is. Back at it again with another Pov Drive. I'm stepping outside today to go get something to eat. Get me a little food. I'm gonna head over to a bar called Reel 'em In. They got some of the best fried chicken, I'll say, in Portland. I like to get my regular. They got some jalapeno poppers that's fire, and then it's just really good chicken, man. Crispy bread on the outside, and really that shit damn near fall apart in your mouth. That chicken in this, when it's hot and fresh, yeah. They got that Frank's hot sauce, and they make really good ranch there. So yeah, man, you can't go wrong with that. So I got to set up a little bit different today. I've got the dual mic set up because it's sunny out, so I shouldn't have to worry about the rain. So I got the microphone on the exhaust, and I got the mic in the cabin for the POV. Camera, since it's daylight, I got the 4K 60 frames per second. So it should be a lot better quality this time around. So this is kind of cool. They actually demolished this abandoned building because as long as I can remember, it hasn't been open. And I don't know if it was like an auto parts shop or some shit, but somebody I know had bought it up a while back. I don't know if he still owns it and he's going to build something. I hope he is. I have to ask him about it. Car's all warmed up. Finally rip it a little bit now. Another topic on my mind, I would say right now, does anybody really trust mechanics, or I would say anybody that's like a specialist in a field that you're not? But I mean, the reason I'm bringing it up is because recently I had a nail in one of my tires, and it happens every now and then. Past couple times I bought tires, I have purchased whatever I don't know if it's a warranty or some protection plan that they'll fix it, patch it up for free, and even replace the tire. I've actually had to replace a tire before, so it comes in handy, and it's cheaper than, when you get good tires, they're expensive. So you don't want to be out of pocket a whole nother tire. But yeah, I took it in, get it looked at. They patched it all up. And then I'm very meticulous about my cars and stuff. My pet peeve is when they give you the car back and the tire pressure is just all fucked up. And I can't tell, like, I don't know of a time that I've gotten my car back and it's been correct the first time. I had to go back and tell them, because it's like, I don't want to get back home and then there's another thing I have to do and worry about. So I got the car back and I asked them, I was like, can we go out and check the tire pressure, because it's supposed to be 32 front, 29 rear, and oftentimes they don't do it right. And he was like, oh, well, it says they did 32 front and 29 on the rear on the paper. Now, in my head, I was like, I'd rather go check it myself. But I was like, okay, well, They didn't put it on the paper last time, so at least they fucking did that. So if they put it on the paper, then they must have done it, you know. So I get out and get in the car and shit. Don't check it. Now on the drive, I can immediately feel like, okay, this doesn't feel how I'm used to driving. But I'm just putting it out of my head like, no, I don't even want to check it. So I swear I drove like a week at least. Maybe 2 weeks. Maybe not that long. I drove for a while. And I knew it was like overinflated because I'm like, this shit feels different. So of course I checked it the other day, and all the way around the PSI is 35 PSI. So not one of them motherfuckers was where it was supposed to be. But that just goes to show, man, you want something done right, you gotta do it yourself sometimes. I don't know why we got this car over here, but show you how to get through some traffic a little bit. So this bottleneck's up here. The proper way to merge is to get all the way to the end before you merge. So I'm gonna skip quite a few cars here. Got a semi here. Let's see if we can squeeze through somewhere. Semi here. I'll probably jump and then jump over again. See how smooth that is. Yeah, semis always leave space, so you usually can get in front of them. Now make sure that they can see you though, because they sit really high up. If you're right on their front bumper, they can't fucking see you. So don't just try to squeeze in. Make sure there's enough space. Most people have a sheep mindset with lines and shit like that, so they just want to get behind people. I mean, that's cool for certain scenarios, but it's like there's a whole nother lane. A lot of times there's a whole nother fucking lane, and you guys are backed up for miles, and there's a whole nother lane you can go to. If there's space on the road, I'm going to use it. Oh, here we go. You going left or right? God damn, this sun is fucking treacherous. It's like right out of the view of my visor, but it's blinding the fuck out of me. And my sinuses, so it's just like kind of, my eyes and shit, sensitive. Oh shit. Ooh. I think you'll be able to hear that on mic on the outside. That came in. All right. Just picked up the food. You see it right there. I'm finna get on the road. Yeah, hopefully my food stays upright. I don't know why he's braking. This should be what I'm talking about. Like, why are we braking? You got all that space in front of you. I'm not anywhere close to you, and it's like you're just getting on the brakes. Like, We'll see what it looks like. We'll see if this shit opens up. Doesn't look too bad. What is this, AMG? I don't think so. Oh, it is. C63S. Really? That's a real one? It looks like it. Yep. I'm gonna take a scenic route. I'm gonna get over. And they got the sheriff and shit over here. Come on, motherfucker, are you trying to get over or not? Because I'm trying to get around all this bullshit, so figure this shit out. Come on, bro, get the fuck over if you gotta get over. God damn. I can literally flip a U-turn this bitch and go the other way. And go over the bridge. Like I was gonna do. Can't get this shit to stay up though. This is why I hate driving in the daytime. Cause it's just like you got all these people on the road. Okay, that's funny. Over in this GTI. I think he's doing something. Like I didn't have my blinker on, like I wasn't already in the lane, but no, I'm gonna just get over anyway. God damn, this shit gonna keep falling on. Congratulations, you have more horsepower. You're not going nowhere. Still here, right? All that horsepower, as soon as you get this caught at the light. And I'm still here, buddy, so what we gonna do? You gonna get away from me? You're not getting away from me. Here, bitch. All that shit. I'm on your fucking bumper. You ain't going nowhere. See, motherfuckers act like they want to drive, but they don't want to really fucking drive. Like, nigga, I'm pushing this shit. Still on his bumper. You can have more horsepower, that's fine. He got turbos in that bitch. I don't give a fuck about them turbos. Nigga, I'm still here. Oh, that's him. He took a left and got... Oh, this nigga took a left. That nigga's funny, bro. bitch ass nigga. Pulling up to the house soon, so we got enough content. That goofy ass motherfucker in the GTI, like, listen, I don't give a fuck if you got more horsepower than me. In a straight line, it does not matter. When it's corners and it's traffic, you're not fucking with me. So I don't give a fuck. That motherfucker was way ahead because he went around. He went and cut around and shit, got to the light. I was like, who the fuck is honking? I said, oh, that's the GTI up there. Yeah, fuck that nigga. Caught his ass and fucking white line and shit got through them. Like, nigga, stop playing with me, bro. Stop playing with me, bro. It's a little friendly competition, man. I don't know who he is. It doesn't matter to me. That type of shit, it's not road rage, bro. I don't want nothing to happen to him. I don't want to do nothing to him. I'm just trying to show him what's up. Like, you want to fucking get in front of me? Okay, well, let's see you drive then. He want to take off and shit like, oh, okay, his shit is faster. Nigga, every fucking light he got caught. I'm right on your bumper. I'm right there. You couldn't pull away if you wanted to. He couldn't pull away if he wanted to. Like, that's... Yeah, let me cut it off, man. Catch y'all in the next one. Peace.